Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. This is an example installation of a Kenwood double DIN we've done with a reverse camera in a Ford Transit Connect. It's roughly 2016 year. Let's show you what we've done. Turn the ignition on, Ford logo will come up. So this unit has had this fitting kit it's done, we've installed, colour matched the fascia that came out. On this one you have to do things like change the passenger airbag device here, so this is actually a switch panel we've supplied because the old one's built into the original radio. Let's turn it on. There you go, it's already booted up, it's already connected to my phone, so that means Apple CarPlay is connected wirelessly. There you go, no lead plugged in. So this has got wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, DAB radio. We've actually connected the factory aerial up to this unit as well for DAB, so no glass mounted aerial on this installation. Let's put the reverse camera on, show you what that looks like. Select reverse, it'll automatically come up, automatically lower the volume as well to make sure you concentrate. Yeah, this unit supports 2 cameras as well, or you could put Kenwood's dash cam in and a reverse camera depending on what you prefer. All steering wheel controls work. Oh, wrong button, skip tracks there. Yeah, it looks good, this one. It's a good fit, good colour match. Yeah, if you like what you see, you know what to do. Drop us an email, info@johncleese.com, give us a call. Yeah, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's getting a content weekly now. So yeah, hopefully hear from you soon. See you later.